Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1989 Nissan S-Cargo. It has the equivalent of 60,000 miles on it. This one is automatic. It runs and drives great. Easily cruises at 65 to 70 miles an hour. It has the 1000cc inline 4-cylinder. Has hot heat. The AC, I don't know whether or not it works at the moment. Nice shape inside and out. Obviously it was resprayed this yellow and black. A paint correction might make a big difference. It's good from 10 feet, I would say. On the inside, seats are in nice shape. There's your gauges, center stack, HVAC controls, neat Citroen styled steering wheel, Citroen inspired. There's an auxiliary electric fan switch. The headliner is all in nice shape, although the retractable roof has been sealed. The rear seat, if you want to call it that, also in nice shape. Overall, just a super fun, funky little, I guess, van. So there you have it, our 1989 Nissan S-Cargo.